Hey, welcome to part two. Guys, part two. Part one, something happened, cut it off. Welcome to part two. In part two, I'm keeping it going. Remember, subscribe and ask the question. When you get time, can you explain how to get the evening number off the midday number? Part one, I was showing you guys how South Carolina got this 227. All right, just to recap. In the state of South Carolina, yesterday, the midday was 201. The evening was 555. Just to recap what I said earlier. Usually, if I see a triple, that is a signal to me that something might change in my workout. If I see two triples, I know something definitely going to change. All right, I was telling you guys, remember, I do a 1, 2, 3 to 3, 6, 9 workout. I use both in tandem to get the hits. All right, I done had 5 hits this month. I'm working on number 6. Now, I also went through and showed y'all the repeat numbers, right? And I'm showing you guys the repeat numbers in the workout was 560 on the 369 side. 369 was hitting in the state of South Carolina. But when I saw that triple, it should have triggered something for me to play something different. Now, right? The follower asks how to use the numbers to pick another number. Now, remember, it's all about how the numbers are winning where you live. So if the numbers are hitting midday to midday, just use your midday number. But if it's hitting midday to evening, then you will play the midday number in the evening. South Carolina was playing midday to evening, evening to midday. So I have gotten hits this week because I was playing 369 workout. Remember, I write both down in my notebook. Now, just want you to pay attention. I'm going to show, guys, the main reason why people start doing these workouts and start getting frustrated, because you believe that every single time it's going to come out straight. Or the way you hit the last time, you think it's going to hit that way again. You got to always be paying attention to how the numbers are getting hitting on your board. It's going to change. But you got to be willing to change with it. If not, then you're going to have to hit when your numbers hit. Now, when the 555 hit yesterday afternoon, and again, congratulations to everybody who got that hit, man. Congratulations, man. You got that hit, give them the post and let everybody know. All right? Because I had 050 on my monthly. Right? So I knew something was going on with the fives. I just didn't know how. All right. So, if I'm looking at my board and I'm coming up with hits, I missed this morning because I concentrated on the 369 and I concentrated on the 369 for the midday and the evening because I didn't know which one was going to play. Another tip, guys, if you don't know what's winning, do not go and spend a bunch of money at the store. Spend $1 or $2, $2 or $3. See a couple of numbers, play them. Don't play a bunch of numbers. All right. This morning, the hit came from the 1, 2, 3 workout. The hit was 227 here in the state of South Carolina with that repeat number. It was 227 here, 722 here. All right, guys, we got the pitch. When that triple hit, I personally should have seen something different, but I did. But I missed it. I missed it. Now, I'm going to show you how I missed the evening number, right? Because, hey, the wins are not coming from the 201 on the 1, 2, 3. That's where the wins coming from, right? Let me finish the workout over here for you. All right. So I do the same thing. Put in my key boxes, look for repeaters. Remember, if you see doubles that are the same, that's a signal that you're not going to have any repeaters in the workout. All right? So I did the same thing. I saw that, and I saw this. I said, okay, now I need to focus on this one. So I went in. I played 911, and I played a bunch of key box numbers. Because I know usually after that, I'm dropping gems. Write this down, people. I'm dropping gems. Usually after a diagonal scrape, you're going to get a key box scrape. It's not all the time, but usually it happens. So I said, oh, boom, boom, I'm going to get a big hit today. I'm playing it just like that. Guys, this is why you got to pay attention. What's the numbers over here in this key box? You got 732, 733, 332. But you also got a 733 going diagonally through that key box. The win today, you can go check, in the state of South Carolina, was 733. That was the win. I missed it, guys, because I'm jumping back and forth. When I should have just played both of them. It wouldn't have cost me that much, but I shouldn't. I didn't do it. And I hope I answered your question. I hope I answered your question. When you get time, can you explain how to get the evening numbers off the midday number? Guys, remember, do not fall for that. Don't just play the midday to the evening, right? Pay attention to what's winning. You're going to get way more hits paying attention than just playing it because it's how it looks. Like, for instance, it might be a 2-day. Pay attention to that. It might be a 2-day hit. The lottery jumps around. It's not always going to be midday to evening, midday to midday. It's not always be 2 days. I've seen numbers hit up to 3 days. All right? So, I just wanted to come on, answer that question. I hope I answered your question. If I haven't answered your question, hit me back up again in the comment section. Remember, that question came from a subscriber asking about how to pick numbers. All right, guys. This your boy Titus dropping Pick3 Lottery tips. Hey, remember, if you see that diagonal, you won't go wrong with playing those key boxes right after that. All right? Hey, save that, too. Write that down on a piece of paper, piece of scratch paper. Another thing, remember, you see triples. Triples hit once, twice, 3 times in your area, something's going to change in the workout. All right? Pay attention to that. All right? Pay attention to that. Especially my South Carolina, North Carolina, I see it in other places that only got 2. It happens a lot. It's a lot of triples hitting right now. So guys, pay attention. Pay attention. There's a lot of triples. I think a lot of these triples that are hitting are coming from numbers that's like date songs for the next day or the day of. All right? So pay attention to that. Hey guys, this your boy Titus, Pick3 Lottery guy. Hey man, I'm trying to help people get hits. Again, thank you to my amazing followers out there who continue to ask me amazing questions, who continue to support my channel. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. Remember, this is part 2. Part 1, something happened with my film. It kind of got cut off, so I don't even know where it stopped at. But thank you guys for following me. Thank you guys for doing what we do, all right? Remember, like always, baby, playing the lottery just for fun. Sometimes you're going to win, sometimes you're going to lose. All right, but we up here trying to get this money, like always, baby. So, hey, guys, remember, let's get some money.